In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password in Cursor AI. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Cursor AI. Type the product name into the search bar and look for the official website in the results. To stay safe, make sure you're clicking a legitimate result. Look for a secure connection indicator in the address bar and a domain that clearly matches the official site rather than an ad or a lookalike page. Once you're on the home page, head to the sign-in area. It's typically located at the top right of the page or prominently on the landing screen. Click Sign In to open the login form. You'll see fields for your email and password. Under those fields, there's a link designed specifically for situations like this. Click the Forgot Your Password link. This takes you to the password recovery form, where you'll enter the email address associated with your Cursor AI account. Before moving on, pause for a moment and double-check what you've typed. Make sure the spelling is correct, the domain is right, and that you're using the same email you used when you created your account. Catching a typo here can save you time and confusion later. When you're confident it's correct, click Send Reset Instructions. If that email address is linked to an account, Cursor AI will send you a message with a secure reset link. Give it a minute or two to arrive. If you don't see it after a short wait, check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes land there. Also, keep an eye on any focused or filtered inbox tabs your email service might use. When the message arrives, open it and click the Reset Password button inside. For your security, be sure the email looks authentic and that the link opens a secure page in your browser with Cursor AI branding. Reset links usually expire after a period of time, so it's best to complete the process right away. On the reset page, enter your new password and follow the prompts to finalize the change. Choose a strong password you haven't used before, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can help you generate and store something both secure and memorable. Submit the form, and you should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From here, return to the sign-in page and log in using your email and your new password. That's it. Your Cursor AI password is reset, and you're ready to get back to work.